Welcome to our journey through the family tree of Dr. Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. Born on June 19, 1861, in Calamba, Laguna, Jose Rizal was the seventh of 11 children. His father, Francisco Mercado, was a respected farmer known for his gentle demeanor and firm principles, while his mother, Teodora Alonzo Realonda, was his first teacher and a pillar of strength. Together, they nurtured a family that would play significant roles in the quest for Philippine independence. Let's meet the Rizal family and discover their stories. Saturnina Rizal, eldest sister. Born 1850, died 1913. Married, Manuel T. Hidalgo. Known as Neneng, she was a supportive sister and a second mother to Jose Rizal. 2. Paciano Rizal, eldest brother. Born March 7, 1851, died April 13, 1930. A dedicated revolutionary, closely involved in the fight for Philippine independence, and a confidant to Jose. 3. Narcisa Rizal, born 1852, died 1939. Married, Antonio Lopez. Known as Sisa, she played a significant role in safeguarding Jose's legacy and was instrumental in ensuring his remains were properly honored. 4. Olympia Rizal, born 1855, died 1887. Married, Silvestre Ubaldo, known as Ipia. She was a caring sister whose early death deeply affected the family. 5. Lucia Rizal, born 1857, died 1919. Married, Mariano Herbosa. Her husband's refusal of a Catholic burial due to his ties with Jose Rizal highlighted the tensions between the Rizal family and the church. 6. Maria Rizal, born 1859, died 1945, married Daniel Faustino Cruz, known for her steadfast support for her brother Jose and her practical advice. 7. Jose Protazio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Realonda, national hero of the Philippines. Born June 19, 1861. Died December 30, 1896. Jose Rizal was a polymath, nationalist, and the most prominent advocate for reforms in the Philippines. His writings, particularly Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, exposed the abuses of Spanish colonizers and inspired the Philippine Revolution. Despite his peaceful approach to reform, Rizal was executed on December 30, 1896, solidifying his status as a national hero. Concepcion Rizal, born 1862, died 1865, known as Concha. Her early death deeply saddened Jose, contributing to his emotional depth and sensitivity. 10. Josefa Rizal, born 1865. Died 1945. Known as Pangoy, she was an active member of the Katipunan, a revolutionary society against Spanish rule. 11. Trinidad Rizal, born 1868, died 1951. Known as Trinning, she was entrusted with Jose's last poem, Mi Ultimo Adios, which she kept hidden until the revolution. Soledad Rizal, born 1870, died 1929. Married Pantaleon Quintero. The youngest of the Rizal siblings, she was known for her beauty and strong personality. If you like this content, let me know. Just subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Don't forget to comment down below what will you say of Dr. Jose Rizal's siblings. See you in my next video.